Michael Grundy, Fuels Technology Manager, Shell Global Solutions, Houston.
You know, Michael, we're at the LA Auto Show.
Indeed.
And it's sort of almost like a mean or green auto show. You either have horsepower with the Nissan GTR that has just come out, or you have the two-mode hybrid that has come out that has the same miles per gallon as a Camry four-cylinder. But what we're noticing is that it's almost all about gas because gas prices are rising. And you work for Shell. And what we've been hearing is about this top-tier brand that is that BMW, General Motors, Honda, Toyota, and Volkswagen are wrapping their arms around and getting and saying we want a top-tier standard. Tell me about what the EPA says to the oil companies and what top tier is.
Okay, the EPA have mandated minimum standards for engine cleanliness, so they specify a detergency test, and their requirement is that all gasolines that are sold in the United States must meet what they call LAC, or lowest additive concentration, and that's a minimum level of cleanliness. What has happened recently is a lot of the top automakers have got concerned about the level of deposits that they've seen in their vehicles, so they've raised the bar by introducing this top tier standard, which exceeds the minimum standard set by the EPA. It's completely voluntary. Some automakers have chosen to join it, some have not. Some retailers have chosen to meet it, some haven't. But in order to be certified, you have to pass a series of tests. And I'm very happy to say that all Shell gasoline that's sold here meets the top tier standard as specified by those manufacturers.
Let's get into it in the consumer level, because some people will have a 1978 car, some people will have a 2007 car. You were talking about a guy who had a 2000 car, and he was already having problems with his cold start. Tell me the difference in why the lower additive concentration, the LAC as you said, doesn't work for cars on the long term.
Well, what we call low quality discount gasoline, which is gasoline that meets the LAC standard, we've run lots and lots of tests as part of our research, and this is really what's behind the top tier introduction as well. Whether the car is old or new isn't really relevant, because what we've seen is significant build-up of gunky deposits after only 5,000 miles in the tests that we've run.
If you have a clean engine, do you really need to use this V-Power or this top-tier gasoline?
Well, all top-tier gasoline is a term that these motor manufacturers have introduced. As I said, all Shell gasoline meets that top-tier standard. It isn't, and it's a standard that's based on cleanliness, not octane level. So it's the same it's the same level of cleanliness whether you would be talking about regular or premium gasoline.
So we're not trying to change what the manufacturer set between regular and premium.
No, absolutely not. No. People should follow what's in their guidebooks.
Okay, but let's say that you've got a clean engine and you use this top tier. It's going to stay clean. Is your what you're saying? That's right.
Top tier standards is designed to maintain cleanliness in an engine, and if you've been using a good quality gasoline and you haven't got build-up of deposits, then continue to use it, and you should expect your engine to stay clean. However, for people who may have been using cheaper, low-quality discount gasoline and feel that they might have problems with gunky deposits, then Shell V-Power, which is our premium fuel, is designed to go one stage further. That's actually designed to help remove deposits that are already there. So that's about cleaning up deposits rather than preventing them forming.
Now, I just want to make sure that we understand this. The V-Power gasoline is not the same V-Power diesel that won the Le Mans. The V-Power diesel that won the Le Mans is made with GTL, gas to liquid, and is actually much cleaner because it's made from natural gas. But the V-Power gasoline that you're talking about has additives that will clean your engine and can only be used on gasoline cars.
That's exactly right, yeah. And the V-Power diesel is not currently available in the United States at the moment.
Okay. Why do you care?
Because that's what we do. We've over 100 years of heritage in fuels research and development. We run lots of tests. We're scientists, that's what we like to do, but we're passionate about what we do, and we want to help our customers get the most from their car and get the most out of the gas that they buy. So it's a genuine commitment to providing ongoing quality to our customers.